Start with half a cup of butter or margarine at room temperature. To that, add half a cup brown sugar and half a cup granulated sugar. Cream all those ingredients together until smooth. Then add in a quarter cup of applesauce, half tablespoon of cornstarch, and a half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix all those together. Once that's combined, add in about a cup of chocolate chips and 1¼ cup of flour. And knead those together and chill them in the fridge for 15 minutes. Using margarine instead of butter, then press the ball-shaped cookies slightly into a cookie shape before chilling them in the fridge for 30 minutes. After you remove them from the fridge after 30 minutes, put them in the oven 325 Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes.